stands 5 feet 9 inches tall, weighing in at 155 pounds. Fighting at number 9, presenting the challenger, the notorious Conor McGregor! And now, introducing the champion, fighting at the red corner. This man is a mixed martial artist making his professional debut here tonight. He stands 5 feet 7 inches tall, weighing in at 155 pounds, fighting out of Los Angeles, California. Ladies and gentlemen, presenting the reigning, defending UFC lightweight champion of the world, Bruce the Dragon Lee!
For the championship bout, I want you guys to do a clean fight. Follow my orders at all times. Defend yourself at all times. Good luck tonight. Touch gloves.
Bruce Lee, Conor McGregor. And here we go. The lightweight belt is on the line. Tonight's main event of the evening is scheduled for 5 5-minute rounds. White trunks for McGregor. Black trunks for the champion. Quite simply, this is one of the biggest fights in UFC history. Highly anticipated for so long. Finally, they meet tonight. This fight, quite simply, is one of the biggest in UFC history.
As this fight gets underway, it's important to put into perspective the magnitude of this competition. This is a huge fight, a huge championship fight with massive implications in the entire sport.
Lee counters with the left. He's got him thinking. He feints with the kick. Nicely timed straight.
Oh, and he's down.
Nicely done. McGregor gets back up again.
These guys are going at it here right away, trading blows.
To the body.
Good body shot.
Could hear it at our broadcast position.
Oh, nice single. Look at that.
And in guard. Lee with a nice punch from the bottom. Back up. Switches the stance.
Misses spinning back kick. Nice body shot.
Back and forth battle. Nicely stuffed.
Oh!
He's feinting with that kick.
Big uppercut.
Good combination.
Big shots.
He lands a head kick.
Rocked him with that right hand. Nice takedown.
McGregor's in half guard again. And again he gets back on his feet. Joe, everyone in attendance tonight might actually be Irish. Listen to the support for Conor McGregor. McGregor gets hit with that kick to the midsection.
He clipped him with that one. He missed that kick.
Lee gets nailed by that head kick.
And he's looking for that left.
Lee with the double. Just over 2 remain. He's got the full mount, Joe.
Look at this. He's out of it. Moves to full guard. Beautiful job defending the position. Nice.
And there's a reversal.
He's going for the rear naked choke here. He escapes the rear naked choke.
And the mount.
Full mount. Not good.
Lee with the left. Postured up.
Now he moves to his back. Big
Nice
left
left
punch.
hand. All over him on the ground. Oh, looking for his back.
Big
That's a
left
huge
punch.
Oh, hit is all over.
Standing. Ground and pound KO.
Time now for our fight replay.
And let's look at the replay and see the end of this fight. This is the huge ground and pound strike that lands for the KO. Here it is from another angle. And here it is again. Bam! Nighty night.
And here we go with the official decision.
Ladies and gentlemen, referee Mario Yamasaki is going to stop to this contest at 3 minutes, 57 seconds in the very first round. Declaring the winner by knockout and still the undisputed UFC lightweight champion of the world, Bruce the Dragon Lee.
Bruce Lee remains the UFC lightweight champion.